Today we're in Ormond Beach. I just dropped by to hook up a gas line to a furnace that CJ's installed. I'm gonna go in here, introduce CJ to the Palm Coast Plumbers channel. Keep my house numbers and such out of view. But here's CJ. Let's move on to the furnace. What they got was a new air handler, new furnace, new condenser package. It's been kind of cold down here past few weeks. So when you're testing and using them and they don't get used very often, they tend to rot out pretty quickly. But furnace.
Hey guys, you guys want to go up to the store? We'll be back in a few minutes. Okay.
All right, round back. Nice boat, nice shed. Out with the old, in with the new. I think CJ's got everything pretty much done except hooking up thermostat and turning the power on. Yeah, look at that. That sucker wasn't cooling worth a crap. Very common down here. Florida's a very corrosive environment. All right, everybody. See y'all on the next one.